It may have started out as a 3-hour tour, but anyone who watched Gilligan's Island back in the 60s knows that it lasted a bit longer than that. After all these years, who can forget that theme song or the fun and zany antics that took place as 7 castaways desperately tried to get off the island? To help bring back some of those memories, what do you say we whip up an easy dish that's inspired by the show and is fancy enough to have pleased Mr. and Mrs. Howell? We start off by flouring some jumbo shrimp. Once they're all coated, we dip each one in some beaten egg and then into a flavor-packed coconut breading. To give these their crispy, crunchy finish, we fry them until the shrimp is cooked through and the coconut breading is golden. These are great as is, or with our homemade creamy pineapple dipping sauce. With food this good served in a tropical setting, why would anyone want to be rescued? To get the recipe for what we call Castaway Coconut Shrimp, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where we hope you had as much fun as we did looking back at some of our favorite retro TV shows. Every one of them gave us a reason to say, ooh, it's so good. Stop fan and start eating.